Hi, thank you for joining us at JES School. My name is Carlos, and today I am going to explain to you how to write in Japanese using your regular keyboard in your Windows computer. So it's really easy. All we have to do is just download your Microsoft IME, which is a tool designed specifically for Japanese language in Windows computers. You can download it in pretty much any computer running Windows. If you are using any other type of computer, such as Apple Mac, please wait a little bit. We will make another video for you. Um, Microsoft IME is really easy to use and will let you write in hiragana, katakana, and kanji. You can also swap back and forth and go easily between Microsoft IME Japanese language and your regular default input keyboards that you have in your computer. So let's check how to do that. All you have to do is just go to the right hand side bottom part of your screen here where you see a series of icons. One of these is the language. So you click here. In my case is Spanish because my computer, unfortunately, since I bought it, came with Spanish pre-installed, and I really can't change it to English. But I'm pretty sure that the layout and the way it looks will be pretty similar for you. Even if you're using any other previous versions of Windows, such as Windows 7 or Windows Vista, you will be able to see it here. If not, then please go to your control panel and you should be able to find the option where whatever is the languages and region menus. Okay, so assuming that you are in Windows 10 or any of the most recent versions, you will see here something that says language preferences. So let's go ahead and click that. And as soon as you do that, you will see that the computer will show a list of the languages that you have installed at the moment in your system. So next, let's go here. Let's go ahead and click here where it says Add a new language, and you will see a long list of all the available languages you can download. Okay, so in this case, let's just write JAP for Japanese, and it will pop up here. So let's just double click and then click here where it says install. Okay, so as soon as you click install, you will see that Japanese is now listed here as a third option in the languages list. And if this is the first time that you're doing this, you will see that your computer will also display a notification here saying that Japanese language is being downloaded. In my case, I don't see it because I have already installed it. But if this is your, again, if you are doing this for the very first time, you will see a notification here. Okay, that's it. That's all you have to do. Now let's go ahead and check that it actually works. So just go ahead and open a Word document, for example, and then click here again, and then select the recently installed Japanese IME, and you will see that now we just have the little J here as we have selected it. The first time you do it, probably you will see a little big, big A here. It means that even though you have written, you have selected IME, you are still using the Aeromagic keyboard, so you can just pretty much write anything, any regular letters. If you want to go to the Japanese characters, just click here. You will see a little hiragana A here selected, and that means that you are good to go to write in Japanese. So let's try it out. So for example, I can write watashi wa mainichi tenisu o shimasu. You see, it's really fast and easy, and I can write in all three different language systems: kanji, hiragana, and katakana. Okay, and if you want to go back to English, just click here, and then you select English, and then you're back to English. I like to play tennis. Okay, every day. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions or if you were not able to do it, please leave us a comment below, and we will be more than happy to help you. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.